In this video, we're going to learn the 3 ways students can attach their work in Google Classroom. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Hi guys, welcome back to iTech on Demand, and in this video I'm going to show you how students can submit their work to Google Classroom. So there are 3 primary ways to submit the work, but I'm going to show you one bonus way as well. So we're in Google Classroom, we're signed in as a student, we are under the classwork tab, and we're going to just select an assignment and click on View Assignment. So after a student has completed an assignment, there are 3 primary options of how a student can attach the work to the Google Classroom Dropbox. So we've clicked on the assignment, and on the right hand side you'll see your work. Students will need to select Add or Create, and in this case we are trying to add work to the Dropbox. So there are 3 options. The first option is Google Drive. So that means if the student created an assignment from their Google Drive, if they created a Google Doc, a Google Slide, a Google Sheet, or a Google Drawings, they can select the Google Drive option and then go in and attach their work directly from their drive. Okay, that's the first option. The second option when you select Add is Link. So in this case, students can copy and paste a URL right here and simply add the link in order to attach it. And then the third option, once you press Add, is File. This is the option that's probably used most often, and this works if a student has saved their work to their computer. In that case, they're going to select Browse, and they will go in and locate the file that they have saved. For example, if they were going to attach this assignment, they would simply click on it and select Open and then attach it. Now for the bonus option. Let's say your teacher has created an assignment and has given every student a copy. That copy will automatically be attached to the assignment Dropbox, such as the one that you see here. In this case, students will click on View Assignment. The document will automatically be attached. Students will need to open that document in order to complete it. Once the document is complete, students are able to click on the Turn In button located in the top right corner of the screen, which will be here. And then once students click Turn In, it will direct them back to the Dropbox where they can turn in their completed work by simply selecting Turn In. So this concludes the video tutorial on how students can turn in their work to Google Classroom.